Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Elementor pop-up templates for UX onboarding. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading Elementor pop-up templates for UX onboarding, open your web browser. Navigate to the Elementor official website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Elementor account. Once logged in, go to the Templates section. From the Templates section, select the Pop-up option. Browse through the available pop-up templates. Utilize the search bar to find specific templates related to onboarding. Click on the template that suits your needs. Review the template details and check if it meets your requirements. If satisfied, click the Download button. The template will save as a .json file to your computer. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Elementor Templates area. Click on the Import Templates button. Upload the .json file you downloaded. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, find your new pop-up template in the list. Click on the template title to begin editing. Customize the template to suit your UX onboarding needs. After customization, click the Save button. To display your pop-up, navigate to Elementor Pop-ups. Activate the pop-up settings to control when and where it appears. Preview the pop-up to ensure it looks and functions as intended. Once satisfied, publish your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and set up an Elementor pop-up template for UX onboarding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.